edging, breath, sound, and movement. So these are the three pillars of Tantra that I learned: sound, breath, and movement. So first of all, edging and breath. So if you are on the edge and you just come to the place of, oh my God, I'm just falling down. If you hold your breath, you will die. Well, either you die for real or you die le petit mort, the little death, because you come. So keep on breathing, yeah? Breathe deeply. And what I come to notice, a friend of mine has this neurotransformative breathwork, is this straw breathing. So when you're on the edge and you're just actually about to just like, oh my God, this is intense, you do this straw breath. It goes this. So the straw breath is something that helps your nervous system to regulate, and you just get more oxygen in, and you breathe all the way down in your lower abdominal. So you just inhale as if you're breathing through your butthole. You inhale as if you're blowing up a balloon in your lower belly, your entire pelvic. You can breathe through your balls, you can breathe through your cock, you can actually expand your lower diaphragm and expand that energy into your balls and into your cock. You breathe in your lower abdominal, do the straw breath, breathe through your cock, breathe through your anus, breathe through your pelvic, and expand and relax. Inhale, expand, exhale, relax. So this is edging and breath. So edging and sound, same. You just inhale, and when you exhale, you give it that sigh, that sound. And that sigh and that sound is a regulator for your nervous system. It's not only a regulator for your nervous system through expressing your internal state through sound, you give your partner an indicator where you are. Yeah, your partner can read you easier as a team to detect what's going on. And when your partner makes sound, you know where they are. So inspire each other to make sound when you exhale. And the longer you exhale, so if your exhale is the double amount of inhale, you regulate your nervous system. Your parasympathetic nervous system is going into expansion. You naturally co-regulate with your partner and you self-regulate at the same time. It's profound. And the body movement. Let your impulses of your body go in different directions. Do what you need to do. Move your body. Just be in expression. And allow yourself. Don't be stiff. So if you're stiff, you're frozen. And if you're frozen and you can't move, you can't edge. There's no energy going on. So you need to be in that state of sound, breath, and movement that you can actually expand and go into that state. So edging, sound, breath, and movement are one of the vital pillars to conduct that energy. Yes, it is. See you in the next one. Edging is a very individual process and depends on so many different facts, depending on where you are as an individual. So I've been coaching individuals, couples, and professionals in this domain for over 2 decades. And if you would like to have any support, feel totally free to use the link in the video description and book a free discovery call to find out how I can support you best. Looking forward to talking with you. See you there.